A very good afternoon to everyone present. On the auspicious occasion of Children's Day, it is indeed an honor and a privilege for me, Nikhil, the Vice Principal Academics of DCM Presidency School, Ludhiana, to welcome all of you to this first virtual Excellence Awards ceremony 2020-21 in effect, but for the academic year 2019-20. And it is my honor and privilege to welcome all the parents who have taken time out from their schedules to be a part of this award ceremony. And I especially welcome all our bright, young, shining stars who have won accolades and are here with us along with their parents to receive the awards on this virtual platform. Congratulations, all you tiny tots, for being so good, for doing so well, and being torch bearers of your parents as well as you grow up your academic journey. We congratulate each and every one of the awardees who have assembled here today. May I now take this time to welcome Principal Ma'am, Ms. Rajni Kalra, who is here with us, and in a short while will be sharing her words of wisdom and giving us her insights about this annual Excellence Awards ceremony. Thank you, ma'am, for being here with us. We are also joined by the coordinators, Ms. Taranjeet, Ms. Anjali, our senior English teacher, Ms. Sonali Chopra, Head E-Initiatives Department, Ms. Sunaina Kapoor, Senior Activity Coordinator, Ms. Shalini Mukherjee, and the entire team of the IT and E-Initiatives Department who have worked together to make this award ceremony possible, including Ms. Rabia, Ms. Manmeet, Ms. Kavita Verma, and Ms. Mansi. So before we begin the annual Excellence Award ceremony, obviously it is important to invoke the blessings of the Almighty. So I would like to call on Master Jayawardhan Chopra for the prayer.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jayawardhan from class 3D. Let's remember the Almighty by singing the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasarviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Prachodaya. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Jayawardhan, for helping us invoke the blessings of the Almighty and enabling us to have an appropriate start to this virtual awards ceremony. So before we actually begin with the presentation of the awards, it is important for me to bring on Principal Ma'am, Ms. Rajni Kalra, who will be enlightening us regarding this virtual annual Excellence Awards ceremony by sharing with us her inputs. Ma'am.
The coordinators, Ms. Anjali, Ms. Taranjeet, the senior activity coordinator, IT faculty, teachers, and all the team members who have been highly responsible for making this day possible. All the parents who are attending this event live, and the student achievers, a very good afternoon. Tough times do not last, tough people do. This is exactly the maxim by which we all have so closely associated ourselves within the present times. Keeping abreast of the present circumstances, DCM Presidency designed a special program connecting class to home to make this phase more productive and engaging for its students. To facilitate this, the Academic Council and the Activities Department, they came up with innovative ideas, and the school organized various activities with the focus on honing 21st century skills by relating all the activities with the present scenario. Today's event is one such event which is a proof that we always strive to provide the best to its students. The school leaves no stone unturned in going to the maximum extent possible to help every child realize its potential. Today's event is being organized to honor the achievements of my dear students in various categories. 100% attendance, WizKid, Good Samaritan, Shining Star, Ruskin Bond, Picasso, and Ramanujan Award. I congratulate and appreciate every single achiever for their hard work that they have put in, for their dedication and sincerity. And indeed, this achievement by the students would be highly impossible had it not been the immense efforts of the parents. Congratulations to every single parent who works with us in achieving these glorious moments for our children. I shall be failing in my duty if I do not express my deep appreciation to the management of DCM Group of Schools for all the support extended by them always. Last but not the least, I wish and pray that this festive season marks the beginning of the beautiful year that helps the world to heal, usher positivity, and brings greatest joy and happiness to all. I wish you all a very happy Green Diwali. Stay safe and healthy.
Okay, thank you so much, Principal Ma'am, for sharing your insights and giving us, your views with respect to this virtual academic award ceremony. Thank you so much. And as Principal Ma'am just suggested and just shared, this award ceremony has its own beauty in a way that even though we are catering to a large audience, we have so many students, a long list who have received today's, awards for the previous year. They have received awards in various categories. I mean, we are catering to multiple intelligences here. We are catering to students who have mathematical orientation or linguistic orientation or co-scholastic orientation, musical orientation, value-oriented orientation. So we are catering to a large category of awards, and we have a long list of students who have achieved these awards. So it is indeed a proud moment, not just for the students, but for their parents, for their teachers, for us as DCM Presidency School, as the institution who is the backbone of all these awards which have been won by our students. So without wasting much of time, I'd now like to invite Ms. Sonali Chopra, our senior English teacher, to start with the presentation of the Annual Excellence Awards. Sonali, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, sir. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. A cheerful afternoon to all the lovely parents present here, and of course to all our little kids. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time to acknowledge the talent of our position holders for the previous session 2019-20, who had worked diligently to be the pioneers. This achievement is all because of their perseverance and consistency. Here at DCM Presidency, we not only value the academics, but also the creative tendencies and cultivate it into something great, which stays with the students for the lifetime. We train them to be wise and the principal leaders and prepare them to enter one of the strongest fraternities for life by appreciating them even for the smallest efforts. So I welcome you all once again to DCMP's very first virtual Annual Excellence Awards ceremony. So dear parents, our first category of awards is for the WizKid, which is awarded for the students. Under this category, these children come the excellence in academics, regularity in attending the school, good leadership qualities, sincerity in upholding the work and culture of the school, and last but not the least, efficient discharge of the duties. And the winners of these categories are. It is a reminder, dear parents, that these awards are for the session 2019-20. First of all, we begin with Methali Dadwal from 1A. Next, we have Lavisha Chaudhary from 1B. Next, Manya Sharma from 1C. Further, we have Kyra Mahajan from 1D. Next, we have Naisha from 1 Erica. Sanvi from 1 Frisia. Manas Goel from 1 Geranium. From 2nd Aster, we have Manna Thakkar. From 2nd Bluebell, we have Devishi Arora. From 2nd C, we have Joy Midda. From 2nd Daffodil, we have Manhar Khanna. From 2nd Daffodil again, we have Rivan Bir Singh. From 2nd Daffodil, Udish Gulati. From 2nd Daffodil, Riyansh Jaidka. Yes, dear parents, a huge congratulations to all the parents and to our little ones. Our next set of awards, dear parents, are the Good Samaritans. Dear parents, the children who fall under the Good Samaritans are the children with the wonderful etiquettes and manners, willingness to extend a helping hand to all the points of time, and being respectful and courteous towards the teachers and their elders. And the winners that fall under these categories are: from 1st A, we have Abhinav Quatra. From 1st B, we have Chitwan Popli. From 1st C, we have Sorish. From 1st Daffodil, we have Ashvi Leher. From 1st Erica, we have Rhythm. From 1st Frisia, we have Aryan Sharma. From 1st Geranium, we have Kinjal Goel. From 2nd Aster, we have Ashwin Abrol. From 2nd Bluebell, we have Naisha Arora. From 2nd Carnation, we have Sanvi Sani. From 2nd Daffodil, we have Divyanshi Singh. From 2nd Erica, we have Simarpreet Kaur. And from 2nd Frisia, we have Gurveen Kaur. From 2nd Geranium, we have Sukhmani Garewal. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a huge congratulations to all the dear parents and to our little ones. Now our next set of awards goes to the Shining Stars. And the children who fall under the Shining Stars have brought laurels to the school in the scholastic and co-scholastic activities. They are all-rounders and willing to take initiative in various events. And so the winners of these categories are Pihu from 1st Aster, Raghav Verma from 1st Bluebell, Girik Gupta from 1st Carnation, Darsh Garg from 1st Daffodil, Ayush from 1st Erica, Bhavya Rana from 1st Frisia, Mansimar Singh from 1st Geranium, Jayavardhan Chopra from 2nd Aster, Ronin Nanda from 2nd Bluebell, Naman Ralhan from 2nd Carnation, Yuvraj Khosla from 2nd Daffodil, Gargi Agarwal from 2nd Erica, Tharisha Arora from 2nd Frisia. And last but not the least, Parv Kapoor from 2nd Geranium. A huge round of applause for you and congratulations to the dear parents and our little kids. Yes, dear parents, DCM Presidency recognizes, appreciates and values the efforts of the students who manifest clearly their diligence to their work and the institution by their consistent regularity. Yes, dear parents, I am talking about the 100% attendance awardees. And the winners of these categories are from First Aster, we have Abhinav Quatra. From First Aster, we have Tanveer Kaur. From First Aster, we have Riyansh Arora. From First Bluebell, we have Arif Gosai. From First Bluebell, we have Laksh Katyal. Anshumam Arora from First from First Carnation. Rishit Nan from First Carnation. Hargun Kaur from First Carnation. Sukhmandeep Singh from First Daffodil. Utkarsh Kaushal from First Daffodil. Mansehid Singh from First Erica. Vidhi Gupta from First Erica. Rabia Sethi from First Erica. Jaideep Singh from First Aster. Kavya Sharma from First Frisia. Jasmeet Singh from Second Aster. Mannat Thakkar from Second Aster. Parneeti Vij from Second Aster. Advit Sikri from Second Bluebell. Ayan Arora from Second Bluebell. Gurnoor Singh from Second Bluebell. Swastik Thakur from Second Bluebell. Deep Man from Second Carnation. Kirat Riyad from Second Carnation. Pratyush Sikri from Second Carnation. Manhar Khanna from Second Daffodil. Gunreech Kaur from Second Daffodil. Shivang Singh from Second Daffodil. Simardeep Kaur from Second Erica. Pravit Gupta from Second Frisia. Sehajdeep Singh from Second Frisia. Namita Gupta from Second Geranium. Riyansh Makkar from Second Carnation. Thank you very much. And a huge round of applause and congratulations to our 100% attendees. First of all, I would like to congratulate the parents who had made it possible for these children to be 100% attendant in school. Now, dear parents, our next set of awards are for the awards for the present session 2020-21. You should read books like you take medicine by advice and not by advertisements. Yes, dear parents, our next set of award is for the Ruskin Bond. And the categories that fall under them are the children with the best reading ability, the pronunciation, the fluency, the reading memory, retention. And dear parents, the winners of this category are, to begin with, we have Advika of Second Aster, Arna Singal of Second Bluebell, Raina Setia of Second Bluebell, Mania Sharma of Second Carnation, Ashvi Leher of Second Daffodil, Naisha of Second Erica, Khushi Ralhan of Second Frisia, And last but not the least, Jasneet Kaur from 2nd Geranium. From 3rd, we have from 3rd Aster, Siddhi Agarwal. From 3rd Bluebell, we have Sanvi Uppal. From 3rd Carnation, we have Namita Gupta. From 3rd Carnation, we have Sonakshi Sharma. From 3rd Daffodil, we have Prabnoor Kaur. From 3rd Erica, we have Mahira Bhatta. From 3rd Freesia, we have Meher Yuvraj Singh. From 3rd Freesia, we have Angel Sodhi. From 3rd Geranium, we have Arush Agarwal. Last but not the least, from 3rd Geranium, we have Gurnoor Singh. Congratulations to all the parents and to all our little Ruskin bonds. Our next set. Painting is another way of keeping a diary. If you could say it in words, there would be no reason to paint. We at DCM Presidency not only aim to impart the most comprehensive quality education to the young minds, but also inspire them to be the next Leonardo da Vinci and Pablo Picasso. So our next set of awards is for the young Picassos, which are awarded to the students for their creativity and originality, drawing strokes, neatness, and presentation. And the winners of these categories are, to begin with, we have Tanveer Kaur from 2nd Aster, Rabia Gupta from 2nd Bluebell, Hazel Makkar from 2nd Carnation, Pihu from 2nd Daffodil, Ayush Gupta from 2nd Erica, Aryan Sharma from 2nd Freesia, and last but not the least, Mansimar Singh from 2nd Geranium. Now from class 3, we have Guneet Kaur from 3rd Aster, Padam from 3rd Aster, Swayam Khanna from 3rd Bluebell, Simardeep Kaur from 3rd Bluebell, Ridhima Virmani from 3rd Carnation, Ayansh Tiwari from 3rd Daffodil, Deep Man from 3rd Erica, Krish Gupta from 3rd Freesia, Asta Dhal from 3rd Geranium. Congratulations to all these young Picassos. Of course, a huge congratulations to their parents too. Yes, their parents. Last but not the least, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. You must have guessed it, which is our next set of awards. It is the Ramanujan Award. Ladies and gentlemen, our last but of course not the least set award, the Ramanujan Award, and the children under this category secure 100% in maths in the first term. Maximum usage of academic program was done by them. They participated in the maths activities at the school level, and their performance in Maths Olympiad was also taken in scene. So the winners of this category are, from class 2, we have Gurveer Singh, and from class 3, we have Himanish Gupta. A huge congratulations to you kids and to all the parents. And once again, congratulations to everybody. Thank you so much, dear parents. And yes, sir, it's over to you now.
Okay, thank you so much, Sonali ma'am, for taking us through this entire sequence of the Virtual Excellence Award ceremony. And as Sonali ma'am has just shared, once again, many congratulations to all our Tiny Tots for achieving all these awards, and many congratulations to their respective parents as well. And we do hope and pray that in the years to come, obviously, we pray that your students, your children, will not only win these awards again, but will also venture into newer categories of awards. So we want all our students to be all-round children, wherein they have facets and qualities encompassing academics and co-curricular activities. So many congratulations once again, everyone. And now, before we close this session, it is absolutely an honor and a privilege to be able to propose the vote of thanks for everyone who is a participant in this virtual ceremony. I especially thank all the parents who've taken time out from their busy schedules to be a part of this award ceremony for their children. All the Tiny Tots, congratulations to all of you once again. Do well. May God bless you in your lives, and may you win many such awards in future as well. And it's imperative for me to mention before closing this vote of thanks, an immense thanks to Principal Ma'am, Ms. Rajni Kalra, for sharing her views and enlightening us regarding the importance of awards. And in the current situation, the change in the educational and the pedagogical pattern, but still the seamless education that is being imparted by especially DCM Presidency School. And I would like to close by thanking once again all my teammates, Ms. Taranjeet, Ms. Anjali, Ms. Sunaina, Ms. Shalini, Ms. Sonali, Ms. Rabia, Ms. Kavita Verma, Ms. Manmeet, and Ms. Mansi, the academics and the IT team together for enabling this award ceremony to be a seamless success. Thank you, one and all. Have a safe and prosperous Diwali. Our advice is obviously to have a green Diwali, minimal use of crackers so that we don't burden the environment. We do need to practice the social distancing and the COVID-19 protocols, but still, that's nothing to beat down the Diwali spirit and the festive spirit. A very happy Diwali to everyone. May God bless your families. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, dear parents, before we leave, I request everyone to please turn on their cameras so we can have a group photograph together.